Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save the image you remove the background as another image which you can use on any of your image editing tool, either CorelDRAW, Photoshop and the rest, or you can save as a PNG. So let's start. Now that you've removed the image, what you need to do now is so simple. Right click on the image and scroll down to where you have save as picture. So by the time you right click on it and you select save as picture, the file will come up for you to save. You choose the location where you save it, and when you click on save, then your image is ready. So it will be saved as PNG. It will be having transparent background. So it's as simple as that. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and share. If you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.